Imagine a thief who doesn't want your money today, but wants your entire future instead. They have designed a system so perfect, so invisible, that you will voluntarily walk into a gray cubicle for 40 long years, trading the most vibrant, high-energy decades of your life for a single, fragile promise. A promise that at 65, when your joints ache, your eyes are tired, and your curiosity has been extinguished by 4 decades of repetitive routine, you will finally be allowed to live. They call it retirement. I call it a slow-motion execution of your human potential. You are being sold a dream that is actually a trap. The architects of this system don't want you to be free while you have the strength to use that freedom. They want you to stay in the machine, fueling their clocks with your pulse until you are too exhausted to rebel. This isn't a financial plan. It is a deferred life sentence. We have been conditioned to hoard paper currency in accounts that the invisible vampire of inflation devours while we sleep. You sit there, feeling safe because the numbers on your screen are growing. But you are making a fatal assumption. You assume the world will wait for you. You assume that $100 today will buy the same freedom in the year 2060. It won't. While you are busy saving, the cost of bread, the cost of land, and the cost of experiences are all sprinting away from you. By the time you reach their finish line, you will find that the goalposts have been moved another 10 miles into the distance. You are trading your only non-renewable resource, your youth, for a currency that is actively losing its soul. You are saving your best years for a version of yourself that might not even have the health to walk across that beach you've been dreaming of for 40 years. You are betting your life on a someday that isn't guaranteed to come. Think of the average life as a spectacular, breathtaking theater production. The lights are on, the music is playing, and the actors are ready. But instead of taking your seat and watching the show, you have been convinced to sit in a windowless waiting room outside. In this room, millions of people sit on hard plastic chairs, staring at a giant digital screen that says, "Now serving age 64. Everyone is holding a ticket. Everyone is quiet. Everyone is waiting for their number to be called so they can finally enter the theater for the last 5 minutes of the show." The people in that room will tell you that this is the responsible way to live. They will call you risky if you look at the door. But look closer at your seat. There is a golden key taped to the bottom of it. The truly wealthy are not the ones with the biggest retirement accounts. They are the ones who realize the theater door was never locked. Time isn't something you save in a vault for later. It is a fire that is burning right now. You can either use its light to build your empire, or watch it turn to ash while you wait for permission. The new elite, the ones who have truly unshackled their wealth, have realized that retirement is an obsolete 20th century concept designed for factory workers. They have started a rebellion. They don't wait 40 years for a single final exit. They practice mini retirements. They take their freedom in powerful 3-month or 6-month chunks while they still have the health to climb mountains, the energy to start businesses, and the spirit to explore oceans. They have decoupled their income from their age. They don't work for a pension, they build digital fortresses. By leveraging AI, global markets, and automated cash flow, they fund their life in real time. While the masses are praying for a stable economy in 40 years, the unshackled are extracting joy and capital simultaneously. They realize that $1 earned and spent at 30 is worth $10 spent at 70. They aren't working to escape life. They are designing a life they never want to escape from. Your youth is not a sacrifice for your old age. It is the very foundation of your sovereignty. Every day you spend waiting for permission from a broken system is a day you've permanently deleted from your own story. The clock tower is loud, but the golden key is in your hand. Stop saving your life for a version of yourself that may never exist. Tear up the ticket. Reclaim your timeline. The future is unwritten, but the present is slipping through your fingers. Subscribe to Unshackled Wealth, and let's break the chains of the 40-year scam together. I'll see you in the next tale.